Wow, fast. Whoa. There goes Megalodon. Oh. And there goes, oh, 3 at a time. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, a little wiggly, a little wiggly. El Toro Loco. Oh my gosh.
Mylo truck stop.
Wow. Look at all these monster trucks we have here. And we are back at it again. We came to the skate park with all of our big monster trucks. And I see a new one here.
It's just this yellow.
Oh my gosh. Look at the yellow El Toro Loco. That's so nice.
And this is his brother.
That's his brother. This is one that we've had. You can see how messed up his hood is there versus...
It put us off me.
Yeah, I'm sure this one's not gonna last that long after going down this ramp. But yeah, brand new El Toro Loco, all yellow. Okay, who do you got?
Batman.
Batman. Batman's gonna go down this ramp. Here he goes. Oh, oh, he's still going. Oh, and he fell right at the last minute. Who do you got next? Here goes Soldier. Soldier Fortune.
That's a turtle.
Oh gosh. Oh, he landed it. Not bad.
Barry drive. Dun, dun, dun.
Barry drive. Zombie. Let's go, Zombie. Let's see what you got.
Bob, you got it.
There goes Zombie. There goes Zombie. Oh. Oh man. Go down this way. Wow, fast. Whoa. Jumped right into the grass. Well, he's definitely the winner right now. Yeah, those wheels are pretty cool. The purple.
Yeah, I take you put that in smart up in the
You're welcome, buddy.
But he's
I don't know.
I don't know.
Here he goes.
I thought I was smart.
Calavera. Oh, right at the last second. All right, Megalodon. Oh, wheelie all the way. Oh gosh, that didn't work. That didn't work either.
Yeah, Megalodon always fun.
There goes Megalodon. Oh! He went farther, but he didn't land on his wheels. Here he goes. Oh, a little wiggly, a little wiggly. Oh, oh! Both at the same time. Whoa, whoa!
Whoa.
Max D definitely wins this round.
Now let's race them down here.
Down there? Okay, we got them all lined up here. We're gonna see who can make it all the way to the bottom of this ramp. And there goes, oh, 3 at a time. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna take it. I think, oh, I don't know, I can't tell. Megalodon took it. Megalodon definitely took it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Max D. Almost. El Toro Loco Yellow and Batman. Oh. Oh.
The same one as Max D.
Zombie and Calavera. Oh, Calavera tumbles. Oh.
It's good right petrol down.
Okay, it looks like
Megalodon is the winner.
Megalodon is the winner once again. Megalodon is the winner! Yeah, let me see. Show the camera. Look at this. I don't know how that little tail is still holding on. Ouch. The ramp?
Wait, a bug. You have to
Whoa.
get a bug.
That's a spider.
Spider. You want to run over the spider?
If you can. Let's see. Ah! Made it down the ramp though. Max D.
He ran over the spider.
He did? Oh my God. No. He did run over the spider.
Did he just die?
I think he got squished, yeah.
That's
Original El Toro Loco. Here he goes down the ramp. Oh, didn't land it. Zombie. So he can scratch his brain. There goes Zombie down the ramp.
He did a bicycle.
Nice.
So easy. That's it.
Calavera. Whoa.
What?
Wow. So far, Max D has gone the furthest. Oh, because of his jetpack back there? Let's see, Batman. Oh, he recovered. He recovered. Megalodon. See what you got, Megalodon. Whoa! He took the. Oh, wow! And looks like Megalodon has gone the furthest.
I'm not going to drive this one.
Soldier Fortune. Let's see.
And
Here goes Soldier Fortune. Oh my gosh. Oh. And Dragon.
He has to take wings like that.
Yeah, he does. Let's see what he can do. Oh my. Oh. All right, let's go see who won. You know what? I think
Max D went because he went to body.
Max D. Max D is the winner.
And his brother's at home.
That's right. We have like 3 Max Ds. This one is the new one that is not broken. So hopefully we don't break him. There'll be too many Max Ds. Woohoo! All right, let's pick them up and line them up. We're going down this hill now. As we were putting them all together, we can see that, that didn't last long at all.
I need tape for this.
Let me see. Oh, we knew it was gonna happen, but not so soon.
I need tape for this.
You need tape for it? Okay, we're going down this hill. Here goes the Mylo Toro Loco. Oh, whoa, whoa!
What do you need that hole?
Oh, he tumbled all the way down.
Not me.
Batman.
Hey,
Wait, oh gosh, Batman, where you going?
Batman!
Okay. I mean, who's next?
The one have torpedoes. Dragon.
Dragon.
Did I take this way?
Yep, we're going down that way. Why is my phone blinking out? Oh, wow. Yikes.
Daddy, I just dropped him in that hole.
Okay. Go Soldier Fortune. Oh my god. Oh, it landed it.
I love that. That's like the toys I've ever seen.
There's Megalodon. Oh man.
Oh,
Whoa.
whoa, back there. Whoa.
He went super far. Nice.
I just tried on to that.
Wait, you got one more.
What?
Zombie. Let's go, Zombie.
Where do Tommy crash your plane?
There he goes. Oh, wow. Is he gonna make it? Oh, he barely turned. It looks like Megalodon is the winner.
Let me talk about Megalodon. Let me talk about Megalodon. I win.
All right, let's pick these guys up and see what else we can do. Okay, and for our final attempt, we're gonna see who can go down this huge bowl
And then we don't go in.
and then stay on their wheels. Soldier Fortune is up first.
What the other wheel?
Yo. Oh! Oh! All the way to the middle. Soldier Fortune is in first place. Who we have now?
Dragon.
Dragon. You ready, Dragon?
Yeah, but I think I'm a text just put real hot Cheetos on Dragon teeth.
That's funny.
You have to do that to all Dragon.
Yeah. All right. Here he goes. Oh! Oh!
Really moving.
Landed it. Okay.
I think everyone is going to but stay on the wheel.
Oh man, Calavera. Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, I guess everyone is on the wheel. But I think that's on me.
Zombie. No! Wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that one.
Yeah. The new El Toro Loco.
New El Toro Loco
With this.
with the scratch. Brand new with the scratch.
He did! Dinosaur!
Oh, he's coming back around.
Yeah, so the new person
Nice.
of the new El Toro Loco, so he just did 2 bicycles.
Yep. 2 bicycles.
But he
Batman.
broke it.
Broken wings that I gotta glue back down again. It's Batman. Oh, oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
everyone ran.
Everyone landed except Batman so far.
But that's it.
El Toro Loco. Oh my gosh. And he landed right into the middle. That puts him in first place for sure. Megalodon.
Dang.
Oh, wait, he's still going? Oh, is that it? Oh, the one and only
Max a ton.
maximum destruction.
Max a ton.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh my gosh, he ran into Soldier Fortune and the winner, El Toro Loco! Both El Toro Locos.
That's it.
All right, buddy, anything you want to say to your truck stoppers out there?
Like, subscribe to our videos.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Peace.
Peace.
We're out of here.
Mylo